Now, I've talked about being gradual and being intentional. Now I'm going to talk about the last bit, which is breast milk is best. Breast milk is important. You need to be very, very confident in your will to breastfeed. Express as much as you can, pump as much as you want. You need to also keep in mind that you need to be healthy, you need to sleep so that you're not stressed out. You need to make sure that your diet is well taken care of. So just being really mindful about the whole process, being encouraged, being reminded. And like I said, it does not have to be directly from the breast. A lot of preemie babies cannot suck directly. A lot of them are breastfed or bottle fed. And if you're not lactating properly, then of course get guidance on the best kind of formulas that you need to get and what quantities best work for your child. But like I said, breast milk solves a lot of your issues because it contains the immunoglobulins, it contains human milk oligosaccharides, which infant formula industry has really been trying. They're trying, okay? We'll give them that. But it can't compare, okay? So those are my 3 principles for optimizing nutrition. And of course, in the final stages where we now start moving to, transitioning to solids and wanting to now start feeding the baby solids and all of that fun stuff. Again, it is gestational or weight. And then, of course, if there are underlying conditions, for example, I've had to treat preemies with congenital malaria. So we're looking at how to increase their PCV and their blood cell volume and ensure that their immunity is going up. I've had to treat children who had some brain injury. So we're looking at so there are different kinds of aspects of the diet. There are some children who have bowel obstruction, some have severe intolerances. So there are different aspects of diet and no one size fits all. So I'm happy to consult with anyone who may be experiencing something like that. But in general, these are my 3 principles. Breast milk is best. Focus on the overall health with the ABCD concept. And of course, last but not least, be gradual and be intentional. I will be in the group to answer whatever questions you may have. I hope this was insightful. And of course, you learned a thing or 2. Again, my name is Ifeoma Omesiete, and I'm a pediatric nutritionist. Bye.